Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A02, and this is a new budget phone from Samsung which is costing around 17,800 PKR Pakistan market, and Samsung is launching the Samsung Galaxy A02 with the two variants. We have a 3GB of RAM with a 32GB of internal storage, and there is a one more variant that gave you a 3GB of RAM with a 64GB of internal storage. And guys, also, and the variant I have is the 3GB of RAM variant with the 32GB of internal storage, and also and the color I have is the blue color, and you can see. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy A02 and let's see what the Samsung has to offer in this price range. So here is the box of the A02, very similar to the new A series. So now let's quickly remove the plastic first. And guys, here is the box of the A02. On the bottom as well as on the top we get more seals. Now let's remove the seal. Okay guys, I just removed the seal. Now let's open this box. On the left hand side it says that Galaxy, and also we have a PTA approved sticker on this phone as well. The first up, we get a 1-year warranty card with the Samsung Galaxy A02 because this phone it is officially launched in the Pakistan market. So now let's open this box like this, and you can see. And guys, on the top we get one more mini box, and inside of this little box I believe we don't get any silicone case. Yes, we don't get any silicone case with the A02. We get a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, as you can see. So it is not really good. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A02, and you can see in the blue color. So now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box what else we get another than the phone. And guys, now let's see the cable. It is USB type C or not. And guys, it is a micro USB cable that you are getting with the Samsung Galaxy A02. We don't get USB type C cable with the A02, so it is not really good, but it is absolutely fine, I would say, in this price range. But I wish that we get USB type C cable, but this is a micro USB, so it is okay. And also we get headphones with the Samsung Galaxy A02. That's really nice addition with the A02. Most of the brand does not give you headphones in this price range, so that's a really nice value. And also we get a SIM injection tool. Now let's see the adapter. And guys, and the pay rating on this adapter, it is a 5V with 1.55 ampere, and this is a 7.8 watt normal adapter that you are getting with the Samsung Galaxy A02. So that's about it. Now let's put all these things to the side. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A02. And guys, on the front we get some more information about the phone. This phone gives you an Infinity V display, and also on the back we get a dual cameras as well as a massive battery size. So now let's out the phone from this plastic like this. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A02, and you can see on the back we get a dual cameras, as you can see, with LED flash as well. On the back we get these lines, and you can see. And also back it is in matte finish, which I really like, but I would say that back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, micro USB port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. On the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. On the top we got nothing. On the back we get a dual cameras. Main sensor on the back, it is a 13 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. Then we have a 2 megapixel macro lens. That's very nice as well, but I wish that we get ultra wide. And also we get a LED flash and really light in hand, although this phone give you a 5000 mAh battery size. That's really nice as well. On the front we get a 6.5-inch display with Infinity V display, also known as Photodop notch, and you can see here is the display of the Samsung Galaxy A02. 6.5-inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also this phone is running on Samsung One UI. That's really nice as well. And guys, also, and this phone also is powered by MediaTek Helio 6739Y processor with a 3GB of RAM, and you can see this phone feels really nice. I don't see any lag right now. Now let's see the notification area, and you can see now I see lag. And the performance wise, this phone, it is not really good in my opinion. I wish that we get a Snapdragon processor on this phone, but we get a MediaTek. Go to the about phone, software information, and this phone, it is running on Android 10. We don't get Android 11 on the A02, and also this phone, it is running on Samsung One UI version 2.5. Now let's see the internal storage on this phone. We get 32 GB of internal storage out of 22.6 GB. It's available for you guys. So guys, now let's see the camera. On the front we get a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and on the back we get a dual cameras. Main sensor on the back, it is a 13 megapixel. And guys, you can see that here is the viewfinder on the A02, and you can see, and we also have a macro mode on this phone, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality in this lighting condition, it is not really good. Now let's go to the video section, and now let's see the video recording size with the back camera maximum. And the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, and you can see we don't get anything except the macro mode. Now let's see the front camera. On the front we get a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see, and the quality, it is okay. I would say it is not the best in this price range. Now let's see the video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps as well. That's really nice. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the Samsung Galaxy A02, and you can see, and the battery size as well as the display, it is the main highlighting feature about this phone. This phone, it is not really good as far as the performance wise, but in day-to-day tasks this phone is handling fine. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Samsung Galaxy A02. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.